Hi guys, so I've got another little device for Meshcore. This is a Heltec wireless tracker. I've received that today off Amazon, and the antenna that's plugged into it I received from Amazon as well. So what I've been doing is I've been having a bit of a wander around and testing this by using the test device, which is a Heltec V3 in a 3D printed case down here. That has got the same antenna on it as that now, rather than the stubby one that came with the WaveShare board, which you'll be seeing in the next video I release, which is currently rendering. It's going to take a while. So if we look at this phone down here, this is a Huawei P20 Pro, I believe it is. And this is all the messages I received. If we look at it at different points in time. I do apologise for the table being cluttered. It's just stuff's just piled up on top of it over the last couple of weeks. Lots of projects, we shall say. So yeah, Meshcore seems to have proven itself. I do have a Raspberry Pi Pico based repeater, and that's all built and running, but at no point in time did this require to go through the repeater. The path has always been direct. It tells you at the top of here whether the path is direct or if it's got any hops through a repeater. So you'll see the repeater build in the next upcoming video, which is now being rendered. It's taken a long time to edit that due to various reasons, which shall be fully explained. So I will catch you in the next one. 7-3 for now.